Okay, what I've got here is the Bambu Lab P1S. It is the enclosure. You can see how it's printing. It holds to the bed very nicely. I wanted it more quality, and right now it's making the pieces I need to put together. I'm not quite sure what this is again, but once it's done I'll remember. Alright, now apparently you can attach an AMS converter onto here so that you can have the bamboo PLA. And right now these are the only colors that I'm left with. This is a really nice red and black tone. It's got two different colors. That one is a good one. They're all matte, so black, blue, white, and I'm a white. I've actually not seen this before, but it says high speed PLA. I didn't know that when I was grabbing this at the store. And the ones like this, they're pretty cool, but they don't really perform the best. They've got two different colors, and they're actually really shiny, and they tend to gum up the line and everything that has to do with this. So, and I actually like the way that this prints. The going up and or going downwards as it prints, rather than having the bed move forward and backward. They have the extruder doing that on your X and Y axis. So, oh, down here, this is all of just, extra crap that falls down there. And then what we have right here, if you can see it, this will actually, the extruder will run on here, either when you change the color or when you're starting a new print, or it'll literally go like this, across this, and it knocks the wasted PLA. And it comes down here, and it actually shoots right out the back. So there's quite a bit on the floor. Anyway, that's just a quick there's not really a whole lot to it right now. This is the home screen. We're looking at the left, down, and that's giving us, we can change, what it will start at. This will change what the bed will start at. This is telling it every time you go to make a print, I want 50%, and then of course feeding, if you click on that, if you needed to load your new color in or unload, press those and it literally just pushes it out of there. You don't have to do anything fancy. Okay, so going here, you can actually, if I clicked OK, and press down, it would extrude some PLA out. And you can do that a few times. Obviously, this is going to move the bed up or down. And this is your extruder, and it will move it, you know, either this way, that way, or that way. And then lastly, let's see what else is on here. Oh, you can turn your fan on and off, and then also this light you can turn off if you want. If you don't want to have that on, I don't know, I prefer it on just because I can see my print better. Lastly, I'm gonna go over here. This shows your information. I'm not logged into my account. Yada yada yada. This is the firmware. It's kind of hard to see. Calibration, auto sleep, language, factory reset, and lastly, this folder here is your little SD card right here, and actually micro SD card, and I had a little one up there, didn't even see it. Oh, and this is something that printed out. Now it printed this just like this. I didn't have to put this together. It printed it all so that the hinges were operating perfectly. And then I printed the wrong vehicle to fit in there. I found this on Thingiverse, and I actually really thought it was kind of cool. It prints it just like this. I didn't have to pop any of these pieces together. The wheels spin, everything. And there's an egg for this too. So, but that is the Bambu Lab P1S. And I'm gonna put the cover back on because I like it quiet. And so, yeah. Alright.